Did you buy a timeshare? You've been set up. That timeshare you thought was a good idea? It was never meant to benefit you. It was designed to trap you in a never-ending cycle of debt. Let's talk about what the resort didn't tell you when they handed you that contract. First, they added a mortgage account to your credit report. Yes, that vacation property you don't even own? It's sitting there like a real mortgage, wrecking your debt-to-income ratio, making it harder for you to get approved for a house, a car, even a basic credit card, and here's the scam. They tell you, just pay it off and then you can sell it. But guess what? That's a lie. There is no resale market, none whatsoever. Owners are literally begging others to take their timeshares for free. Some are even paying people to take the deed off their hands. And even then, no one wants them. And the worst part? Paying it off actually makes it harder to get rid of, because now, your name is on the recorded property deed. Permanently, and the only way to transfer it? You need the resort's permission. And do you really think they want to let go of their unlimited money machine? Oh, and let's talk about those fees. The maintenance fees? They never stop rising. 5%, 10%, even 15% a year with no limit. The resort has full control. Next year, you'll pay more. The year after that, even more. And the year after that, who knows? It just keeps going. Even when your family grows up and you age to a point where you aren't traveling anymore, the resorts have no obligation to release you, keeping you locked in so they can roll the debt over to your family, turning your timeshare commitment into generational debt. But here's what the resort doesn't want you to know. You don't have to play their game. At Lemon Lion Consulting, we don't just fight for you. We win. We force the resort to release you from your contract permanently. We cancel your mortgage and your maintenance fees for good, along with all the debt that came with it. And with Lemon Lion Repair, we protect your credit every step of the way. No more contracts, no more fees, no more financial traps. This isn't just a timeshare exit. This is financial freedom. Call Lemon Lion Consulting now and let us help you. Because the resort wants you to think there's no way out, and we're here to prove them wrong. Lemon Lion Consulting. Experience, integrity, results.